This is some really beautiful ebony veneer. I've cut a line on it, but I've got to tape it together. But there's quite a bit of tension in this veneer. I think for holding this veneer together, pulling it together, we're probably best to go with the Tesa Blue or Tesa Yellow tape. This yellow, nice and thin, but strong. You can tear it with your fingers, or you could cut it off with your knife. What I'll do with this is see if I can use this to actually physically pull the joint together. So you can stretch it with your thumb, and it just gives a little bit of extra pressure to pull that joint up. This very quick and easy to put on, but also after the pressing process, very quick and easy to remove. And the most important thing is it will not leave any residue on the surface of the veneer. So we can go across with stitching the joint, and then what you can do is one long run all the way down the joint as well. Also, what we would do with this, you can see it's actually pulling up. When the moisture of the glue hits the bottom of this veneer, it can make it curl even more. So if we were gluing this onto a board, what we may also do is actually, once it's onto the board and it's glued down, is just use some tape just to physically hold it down onto the board. This also would stop the veneer physically shifting or sliding on the veneer in the press, and also I would tape down the other corners if I'd got this cut to size. Removing the Tesa tape after it comes out of the press is the easiest of all of the tapes. Literally pick him up, pull him off, and we're good to go. It doesn't leave any residue. It's so clean, and it's got to be the quickest and easiest way of removing tapes after you've been doing your pressing. For more detailed information on our veneer tapes and our glues, look at our website, woodworkersworkshop.co.uk, and check us out on our social media channels.